Hello, you are welcome to this channel. I'm so excited that you are here today. Yes, in this video I want to show you how you can make $200 per day with Mylead affiliate marketing program. I have discovered that many people just put their basket, they put their eggs, all their eggs in one basket, and become problem for them. If you want to make money online, so this video is for you. So you just need to watch it from the beginning to the end. Just watch it and see how you can benefit from it and apply everything. That just a very simple thing to do. Watch it to the end and you see how you can make your $200 per day with Mylead affiliate marketing. Before I discovered this strategy, I have friends that are into Clickbank affiliate marketing, both myself, but the experience one of my friends had on Clickbank affiliate marketing. One day the account was just shut down like that, and that was the end. So he suffered for it for some months before he can kick back or return back. Why did he suffer for? Why did he pass through such an ugly experience? Is because he just focused his mind on only one source of income. He was just focusing on only Clickbank affiliate marketing. It has become a big problem even for as many of you that are watching me now. You watching this video, you know that maybe it has been so difficult for you to even to apply for Clickbank affiliate marketing. Why? Because you thought or you think within yourself that is just the only source of making it. But in this video I want to tell you that you can spread your ways. You can spread and increase or generate your income from different platforms. So we have many platforms that you can generate your income from, especially if you want to involve in affiliate marketing. So this is one of equivalent to Clickbank, where you can make your money. Mylead, you can make your $200 per day with Mylead affiliate marketing program. Very easy to do, easy to join. There is no any ban that is attached to it. It is accepted all over the world and you can perform it. So I will take you through and see how it is easy that you can make your $200 per day with Mylead affiliate marketing program. So let's dive into it now and see what you can do with it. So look at it. This is the dashboard of Mylead. You see, look at the dashboard of Mylead. So let me just read through a paragraph on Mylead there. So the Mylead is a global affiliate network, by innovative. We hereby paid over 400 million to our user. Join us now and earn. This is it now. Say join us now and earn from Mylead. Look at this. It said we offer various almost 1,000 affiliate programs. Do you see it? 1,000 affiliate program that we offer, different categories that you can involve yourself in. You see, 5 monetization model, dozens of different these are things you can take advantage of on Mylead. You see, you can take advantage of them. You just easily join them and have your payouts. Very simple. They have tracking information and they have full support for you. So that is what you benefit in Mylead. Let's see the affiliate network details. These are the the affiliate network details in Mylead. You can make $200 in this platform a day. Very simple. Look at a simple commission type. These are simple commission type that you can see in Mylead. Do you see it? These are simple commission type. Cost per action, CPA. Cost per lead. You see now. Pay per impressions. These are things you can see you can benefit. Cost per action. You can just advertise their program, advertise their product that you have seen in Mylead. As soon as you have advertised it, and anybody, it can be email submit. Use it as simple. As soon your the persons or your buyers or your audience submitted their emails through this, you'll be paid for. That is just call per action. Very simple. Do you see it now? And the minimum balance that they pay out, you see, $20. With $20 compared to others that their minimum balance is $150. If you didn't get up to that, you cannot be paid. And you have many means that you can withdraw your money. You see, through PayPal, you can withdraw your money through your Payoneer. You see, web money, and this wire transfer, they can transfer it to your account. So these are various forms you can benefit from Mylead. Very simple to join. So you can make $200, you know, through Mylead or with Mylead affiliate marketing. Very simple. Let's see various offer they have. You see, these are their various offer they have in Mylead. The various offer they have in Mylead. You see it? So they have various offer. They have something entertainment. You see it? They have lottery and contests. They have for adults. If you want to go, they have for business, and you know, they have for many offer for adults that you can see in Mylead. Look at people that are the reviews of people. So it is not only you, it is not new. Look at reviews from people. You see reviews from people like from Charlene. Say it is easy to use, and you can talk to people there when you have questions. That is, they have full support. You see, if you have any problem, they have full support. Look at this now from Lexi01. They say, to be sincere, Mylead is impressive and great to make money as an affiliate. They possess all what I need. To me, Mylead is the best, and I am looking for seeing more of Mylead. Do you see it? This is a great. Look at it. Is it? So Mylead is the best. So look at it. This review by somebody. You see. This, look at reviews. So these are reviews that you can see from Mylead. Look at reviews. Mylead is great affiliate network. I would recommend. Nice network for dating sweeps, even for if you are beginner. Do you see? Even if you are a beginner type, you can make your money with this. Very simple, very simple. They have simple program that you can just venture yourself into. So I want you to look at it. These are testimony of people talking about or review. So look at one of their offer. See, this is how their offer look like. This offer is like a, look at it, and the offer is for single opt-in. So as many that opt in with their information, look at it, you'll be paid for it. And look at it, it's cost per lead. Look at it, cost per lead. This cost, and as soon you have any lead that sign up, you'll be paid for $41. So if you multiply $41 by $41 by 5 leads, you get the 5 leads that just submit their emails. What do you think you are getting? So 41, or let's say $40, if you are being paid $40 times 5, that is $200. So cool catch. Do you see it now? So you can make $200 every day. You spend just 2 hours by promoting this affiliate program, Mylead affiliate program. Do you see it now? The payout here is $41 for this program that is smart link, and you get it from Mylead. It is multi-geo, that is, this program is for every location, and it's just email submit. They just need the email of people to just opt in. Do you see that? Very simple, that you can make $200 every day with Mylead affiliate program. So these are simple steps. What you just need to do, you sign up with them, get the affiliate link, look for good offer, get the affiliate link, and promote either on Facebook, in the groups, join groups that are pertaining to the offer you are promoting, send the offer, and their sales page is very great and dynamic. What they just need, people can easily put their emails, put their number, because they are not buying anything, they will not be afraid as they put it, and you are directing leads to them, and you'll be making your payouts like this now, $41. And if you have 5 people a day, that is about $200. You are making $200 per day. So it's a powerful program that you can involve yourself in. How to join? So we have only 4 steps for you to take to join Mylead affiliate program. Step 1, you look at it, account login details. Step 2, they need to verify your email, so you must have email account that they need to verify. And step 3, your account personal information, while also the last verification is going to be your SMS through your phone number. So it is acceptable in any country, very easy to do, easy to join, easy to do, easy to join. There's no limitation, no ban that is attached to it, and it is not difficult. Even for a newbie, you can do it. They have good support. So I want you to join a Mylead affiliate program, and you start making money from it. So the last bonus for today, I want you to comment, make $200, make $200. Just comment it there. The first 50 people that comment that make $200, make $200, that make a comment on the comment section, the first 50 people, they are privileged, or they have chance for my bonus of my VIP program that is coming up. They have, you know, a discount code that will be given to them. So the first 50 people that will comment make $200 per day will be given such discount code. And I want you to make your comment down also. Also, there is a link down below. I want you to sign up. As soon as you sign up, I'm going to send a special gift for you that will make you to, you know, increase your ways or increase your market in 2020, especially in affiliate marketing. If you have not subscribed before, I want you to subscribe to this channel. I want you to like this video, share it to people on Facebook, Instagram, and also make your comment also, so that you get this code. You get a special code that can make you to be a discount owner for the program that I'm launching out in this in January. You get a discount concerning the program. So sign, and I will see you in the next video that will be showing you special, you know, way how to make money online. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time.